Hello guys, Max Mob this. So today we got playing Tower Getting Dark. So anyways guys, Max Mob this channel. Subscribe it now and also hit the notification. Also let me know in comments. I will just beat it this game guys. I will not end guys. So anyways, I worked so hard on this video. So I'm going to just beat it from now on. So this player wanted to beat me I guess. Or just wanted to beat it I guess. We're going to beat that game or just probably wanted to beat it so anyways this is the easy game that I wanna beat it so far. Okay, so anyways I can just beat it. I can just run and just ship block I think. So anyways guys, there's so many players. It has thousands of players. And also let me know in comments. Let me know in comment section, okay? So anyways, what's that? What's that? Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, this girl, this girl. No, this girl. No. Oh my god, she's going to beat me. She's going to win. I think I have 8%, I think. Hello. Hello. Okay, so I'm going to beat that game for now on. I'm going to beat it harder and harder and harder. I'm going to beat it harder and harder. So let me know in comments. Oh, I'm going to beat it now. Bro, stop lagging. Do not fall. Wait, can I remove a charger or not? So let me know in comments. I should just beat that game and instantly. Okay, so this is the easy game that I cannot fall. Do not fall. Do not fall. Okay. Ouch. Okay, what's that? Am I sticking in a wall or just grabbing a wall? So let me know in comments. Okay, what's that? Laser or not? What's that? Laser? So many laser there. Okay. Why there's so many laser there? Okay. I think it's easy. Easy peasy. I think it's probably easy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is easy guys. We're actually winning a game guys. Winning Tower of Dark, Getting Dark, guys. I think it's easy. I can do it, guys. Whatever I want. I can do it. I can do it, guys. Okay. Come on. Can able to do this. Can do it. Bro. Okay, do not fall. If I fall, I'll end. Do not fall. Do not fall in easy mode. Oh my god, this one's hard. No. I keep falling once again. Oh my god. One more time. Oh my god. I don't wanna fall guys. I don't wanna fall. Okay. I'm about to win it. What's that girl? You don't know? Okay, girl is probably downstairs. I think I'm gonna get win. I'm getting win now. So anyways, who's gonna win first? So no, what the Sigma? Wait, I can't see or I can see. Oh no, this one's hard. What? How can I do it on easy game? How can I do it on easy? Now easy. Bro, I keep falling. I keep falling at things. Okay, be careful. Be careful, guys. Careful. Careful. With a step. Step. Be careful, guys. Be careful. Ooh. See. How can I do it? I can do it whatever. F. How can I do it? Jump. Oh, okay. Okay. I know go to jump. Okay. Swim. How dare you? I'm swimming. Why I look swimming? Hey, run. Okay, run. Run, Majo. Okay, so I'm going to win now. So I'm going to end before it's too late. Let me just Okay, I'm almost made it. Oh my god, I'm about to win. I'm about to win, guys. I'm about to win. Oh my god. I'm getting low bat. I'm getting low bat. No, I'm low bat. Yeah. How? Oh. Oh. Behind the good photo. Yeah, I'm going to beat this game. Yes, I'm going to beat this game. You have to subscribe. So me. So me. Bro, stop making me a robot. Such a thing. Stop making me a robot. Oh my goodness, it's easy. Oh, this one. Wait. This one. This one. This one. What? Are you kidding me? Oh my god. I'm going to win. What? Not fair. I was trying my best to win. Bruh. Bro, I'm going to fall. I can't because I'm about to fall. I'm about to fall, I think. Okay. Let me... Do not fall. Did I fall? Oh my god. Whoop. Oh my god. I'm about to win. How many? Oh my god. I have about 5% because 5% low. I want 55% or 69%. I think. So let me know in comments what is my favorite game. What is my favorite game? And I'll be hard. I win or not? I win? Yes, I win. Huh? What's that? Another level. Okay. What the thing? How? I can do it. Here, I want. Oh my god, how can I do it? Can I just do like, like this or just jump? Oh my god! I'm a talent. Oh my god. This one. This one. I can just do. How about scamming? Oh my god! I choose this. Oh my god, this is a random place. Oh my god, it's easy. I can even beat it. I can now beat it now. I can now beat it for now on, guys. I can now beat it for real life. Yes. Wait, what's that, player? Wow. What signal? How can I do it? Like this? Oh, this one's hard. No. Oh no, this one's tough. I think this one's tough. How? Oh no, this one's tough. No. This one's hard. Are you kidding me? You're trying my best. You're trying to troll me, huh? Yay, I win. What the heck happened? What the heck happened? Wow! Thing. Oh my god. Amazing talent. Oh my god, wow. Hey. Ouch. Ouch. Please. I'm about to die. How can I do it? Like this? Realize? Oh. How can I do it? I can just do whatever I want. Oh my god. I'm about to win. Okay, so let me know in comments. I should just beat it. For oh my god. Yes. Oh. Oopsie my account. Ouch. Oopsie. Oh my god, how many? Five. I'm still wanting to win this quickly. This. Okay, I'm about to win. Do not fall. Do not die. What the sigma? What happened? What the heck happened? Okay. Oh my god. What the heck happened? What's the cause? I think I'm about to win. I'm about to win this game. Oh my god. I think I like YouTube. Oh man, I wanna beat it, guys. Oh my god, guys. No, this one's tough. I guess. I should just do like whatever I want. Like this. Oh heck. Yes. Oh yeah. Oh my god, I'm about to win. How can I do it? Whoop. Oh my goodness. Yes. Whatever I want. Yes. Oh my god. Don't stop. What? I'm about to fall in a round. Run! Oh my god. I'm about to win. This player will not be. Why not? How many wins do I have? Oh my god, 4. What is actually here? I don't know what Pokemon is. Oop. Oop. It's Ashley. Stop. Ashley. Name is that Ashley. I think. I don't know. Ashley is my classmate. Oh my god. Wow. Is she? Can I? Oh my god, I'm about to win. Can I just do it whatever I want? Can I just shoot? Huh?